Hi Eagles, we will start tutorials very soon. Hopefully by next week at the very latest. But I am currently showing you a Google form. So what's going to happen is that we are going to have tutorials on Tuesday and Thursday morning from 8 to 8:30, and then on Wednesday afternoon from 4 to 4:30. I'm going to ask that prior to attending tutorials, you come and you fill out this Google form. It will be under student resources in the Google Classroom. Okay. What you will do is come in here and type your name. You will tell me what class period you are a part of. Okay. You will tell me what time you plan to come to tutorials. So if it's Tuesday morning, Wednesday afternoon, or Thursday morning. And then you will tell me what you need help with. So this can be, I have a question about a current assignment. I need a clarification about an assignment. I have missing work and I need to catch up, and I need you to kind of tell me what's missing and what I can do to catch up. And then I just need clarification or additional support with the current content that we're teaching. So we just got out of equations and inequalities and we're going into multiple representation. So it might be either one of those two things. And then finally, is there anything else that Mrs. Brown needs to know in order to help me with tutorials? So we want tutorials to be as beneficial to you guys as possible, especially because we know that you have long classes and big block classes and may not see everybody but every other day. So we just want to make sure that we're checking in with you guys and that we can provide as much support as possible. But at the same time, I also want you to know that when you come to tutorials, I need you to have an idea of the things that you need help with. And sometimes we talk about being an advocate for your learning. I need for you to tell me, hey, Miss Brown, I'm struggling with this and this is where I need help, and can we practice some of these things? Or I need help with this assignment. I don't understand question number 8. Can you go through it with me? That's what the tutorials are for. And I want there to be some forethought for you guys to come fill out the form and plan ahead and attend a tutorial. So what's going to happen is I am going to turn off responses at 6 a.m. on the morning of tutorials. And I'll probably do it at noon on Wednesdays because it's going to be a little bit later in the day. Just so I can kind of plan, I can have a idea of the kids that are coming, and things like that. So if your name is not on the form, if you haven't turned in a form, I'm going to ask that you come to the very next available tutorial session, and maybe not the tutorial that day, just because I am trying to plan as best I can for the amount of time that we have. So I'm going to talk to you guys about this in class, and if you have any other questions, you can reach out to me, and I will help you that way. Y'all have a good rest of your day, and I will see you at tutorial soon. Bye.